Need a dependable dumpster rental in Middletown, Ohio? Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati has you covered. Whether you're cleaning out your home, renovating your home, or working on a major construction project, our services are designed to make waste disposal quick and hassle-free. At Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati, customer satisfaction is our top priority. Our straightforward booking process, prompt delivery, and reliable pickups mean you can focus on your project while we handle the waste. We offer competitive rates and flexible scheduling to fit your needs. Choosing Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati means selecting a partner who cares about the environment. We ensure responsible waste disposal practices, working with local facilities to keep Middletown clean and green. So, why wait? For the best dumpster rental in Middletown, Ohio, call Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati at 513-586-8313 or visit us at www.dumpsterdaddycincy.com. Dumpster Rental Middletown, OH. Don't let waste weigh you down. Let Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati lift the burden so you can focus on what truly matters. We're ready to roll when you are. Book your dumpster now and experience the difference.